Hi, Hi friends. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, I will talk about what is chmod command in Linux and chown command in Linux. So in this class, we will study about these two commands, and remaining three commands we will see in the next class. So let us print ls. So we are having desktop documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, snap, templates, and videos. We will go to the desktop, cd, chain directory, desktop, and press again ls. You will be having hello world and start folder, and I want to go to the hello world, cd, hello world. So I'll press again ls. So we are having two folders, Achyut underscore start2 and file1.txt. So I want to create new file. So that tells about both chmod and chown command. So I'm creating chmod chown dot txt. I'm creating a file. So in that I'm going and nano chmod chown dot txt, and I'm going and I'm writing Iron Man, and I will press Ctrl O to save it and Ctrl C to cancel and exit and Ctrl Y to save it and press enter. Then you can see the output chmod chown.txt. So you can see I'm Iron Man. So I can write and read in the chmod chown.txt, right? So by using chmod command, I will write user is equal to u means user, r means read. So user can read only, but could not write in the file. So I will do I will modify the file in that way. So user can only read, but he cannot write. So chmod user should read only. Which file? So chmod chown.txt. So user can only read, he cannot write. Let us see. So how we can go to nano chmod chown.txt. So see, file chmod.txt is unwritable. Why? Because I wrote user is equal to read. That's why you cannot write anything in this file. This file is protected. I hope you understand why I'm saying Linux is secure. So I wrote chmod user is equal to read. So that's why you cannot write anything in this file. So I hope you understand. Press Ctrl X. Again, back, you can come back side. So I want to write, but I cannot read. So you can write chmod user is equal to write chmod chown.txt. So nano chmod chown.txt. So here saying error reading chownmod chmod.txt permission denied. What it is saying? So earlier there is a command, right? I am Iron Man, but now see there is nothing anything. Why? Because I wrote only to write, but I cannot see the previous thing. So previously I wrote I am Iron Man, right? You can't see that. I hope you understand. You can't able to see that content. Earlier we have written right, but you can write now. What I will write? Earlier content cannot be seen, but now I can write anything. So I will do Control 0. It will save. Control C, Control X, Control Y, press enter. Control X, Control Y. File name chmod chown.txt. So, for example, write nano. Do like this. So you cannot you cannot see the previous one, but you can write anything. So this is the write permissions, not the read permission. So I hope you understand. Press Control X, Control N. Then you can get back to the terminal. So, and you want, so you have denied, right? But you want both the permissions as like earlier. So you want read and you want write both. So then you can write chmod user is equal to both read and write. So chmod chown.txt. So both the things are done. So nano chmod chown.txt. So you can see now I am Iron Man. So I hope you understand. So how we can use the chmod? How can we uh like how can we put constraints on our file? So this is chmod command, and to Control X, and you can come to the terminal. So now chown. So now chown. So for example, if you want to see what is chown, so it will tell the ownership of the file. So who is the owner of the file? For example, I'm created the chmod chown.txt, right? So I am the owner of the file. So how can you check it? Who is the owner of the file? Press ls minus l and press enter. So you can see all the files. The first file, Achyut underscore start 2. Who is the owner? Achyut start. And chmod chown.txt. Who is the owner? Achyut start. And file1.txt. Who is the owner? Iron Man. So you can check who is the owner of the file. For example, you want to change the owner, but I want to change this owner. So how can you change? Sudo chown root, for example, ras chmod chown.txt. So it is asking password. So it is saying it is an invalid user, which means Raj is not there in the system. So Raj user is not there in the system. So how can you check whether the Raj is there or not? Press cat slash etc. slash PASSWD. So then you'll get all the users. So you can see root, daemon, bin, sys, sync, games, man, LP, mail, news, users, CP, proxy, www data, backup, list, IRC, glance, nobody, system MD network, system resolve, message bus. So all these are users, different users. So in this, I have added the Iron Man and Achita underscore Stark is there. So we can change according to the users present in the system, but we cannot change which the user which is not present in the system. So whenever you want to change the owner, you have to check whether that owner is present in the system or not. Then only you can change the owner of the file, or otherwise you cannot change the owner. So now we don't have the RAS, right? So we have to add RAS. How can we add? Add sudo user add RAS. So now it will add RAS and you have to give a password also. So you have to give a password for RAS. So what is the password? You have to give some password. I'll give some password. Okay. So I have given some password. So you have to give a password which cross 8 characters. Then only it will take. You have to type new password and you have to type retype the new password. Then the user RAS will be added into the system. How can you check? Use this cat slash extra slash password. See, RAS is added now. So RAS is added now. So now you can write sudo chown RAS chmod chown.txt. So now the owner, the owner is changed. How can you check? How can you check the owner? ls-l. See who is the owner for chmod.chown.txt. It is Raj. So it is Raj. So you can change the name according. You can change the owner which are present the owner list in this list. Like if the owner name is present in this list, you can change. You can change to root, you can change to daemon, you can change to bin, sys, sync, games, man. You can change it. So if you don't have the like if you want to add the customizer name according to you, then you have to add the name into the system and you have to like you can change the owner for the required file. So I hope you understand the chmod and the chown command in the Linux. So that's it, friends. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.